The wireless pen PMU machine from Peak Astra is the perfect choice for permanent makeup artists who are seeking a completely versatile experience. The features of this device allow you to tailor and personalize each treatment to your individual client. Want to find out more? Then keep watching. This completely wireless machine comes in a variety of stunning colours, including rose quartz, aurora, cosmic candy and raven. Weighing in at only 113 grams with the battery, the extra tapered grip is only 13mm in diameter, allowing you to have complete control over the machine for the most precise pigment implantation. The wireless battery provides up to 5 hours runtime, and you also have the option to switch to an RCA cord if that's your preferred method of powering the machine. This option will also allow you to continue tattooing if your battery depletes mid-treatment, or you can always buy additional batteries from our website. One of the most unique features of the Peak Astra machine is that an individual machine provides multiple stroke length options for maximum versatility. You can choose between 2.5mm, 3.5mm or 4mm, depending on the treatment, technique, client skin type or your experience level. This will allow you to achieve incredible results on all skin types across a huge range of PMU treatments. The operating voltage of the Peak Astra is 4 to 12 volts, and it is compatible with all universal cartridges, meaning you can pair this device with your favourite brand of needles like the Vertex Pico cartridges, which we have here. Each Peak Astra machine comes in a super sleek packaging and is accompanied by an RCA module, a USB-C charging cable, 2 spare cams, 2 O-rings, an Allen key and an RCA cord. If you're looking for a PMU machine with complete flexibility, then this might be the one for you. Head to the link in our bio to order yours today. As always, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for product reviews, free educational content and exclusive artist interviews. Only available on the Killer Beauty YouTube channel.